create a Facebook page. Hey guys, okay? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video, I'm showing you all the updated step-by-step to create a page on Facebook. Do you like videos like this? There are already other related videos on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, I'm always making videos to help you guys. So let's go. I'm going to create a page for a company, and the process is pretty easy. I'm already here on my Facebook profile. You're going to click up here on the menu on that icon, and you're going to choose the page option that's on the side. Page. On the page, you'll create your page. So you're going to choose the name of your page, the category of your page, the bio of what your page is about, and then click here to create the page. Then they ask you to put your company's website, put your phone number here. You switch it here to Brazil. Brazil, enter your area code, then your phone number, your contact email, location, your business address here, your business zip code, and also the opening hours. Then just click below to move forward. Now it asks you to put a profile picture of your business page. So you're going to choose here, you're going to click, and it's going to choose the photo from your computer. A profile picture and also a cover photo. Then just click next. Here you can place an action button. By clicking on the action button, click here on test. You can choose here a way that people will contact you, either through Facebook Messenger or generally that the person prefers WhatsApp. Or call now, one of these options. Click here on next. You will put your WhatsApp number here and click here below to send code. Then just click below to move forward. You can invite your friends. So who's your friend that you can invite to join your page here? But if you don't want to, just click below to move forward. Then you can enable or disable notifications and professional emails for you to receive. Then just click here on Finish to finish creating your Facebook business page. If you have any questions, put them below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it there. Big hug, stay with God. Thanks guys.